Hey, random people out there on the internet. So it's the Mustang Ridge Wood Bandit. Looking through some of my videos, I got rid of a lot of the ones that weren't that popular, and I have one that's particularly popular about how to organize my shop and how I take advantage of that. So today's video, though, has more to do with what to do with this organized shop. I've been rather messy and working pretty hard. So when I'm dead in my work, I don't pay much attention to what kind of mess I made. And so today, I'm going to be cleaning up the mess. So let's take a look at what we're looking at. So this is my primary assembly bench. You see I've done a lot of staining on here and whatnot. It was originally coated with some lacquer. And well, it's time to redo this one. Now on the other side, this is my station for assembly and whatnot also, but it's my miter saw station. It never did get a coating and it's in pretty rough condition, so I'm going to have to sand it down, get a lacquer coat on there. But while I'm doing all that, I might as well put in the T-track that I've been putting off for a long time. I'd like to put this T-track in like this so that I can put a stop block on the T-track and cut some consistent cuts of the same length by using the stop block. But before I can do any of that, I really need to do a deep clean. How bad is it? Well, how bad can it be? Well, let's take a look. If you haven't cleaned your shop in a while and you move things out of the way, you may actually see that it's pretty dirty down there. And not to mention the dirt and the clutter and whatnot that are just here and there and yonder on almost everything. If I get enough stuff off of this bench, maybe I can use the whole workspace instead of being limited because I keep putting stuff on the bench that I could put elsewhere. So that is my task for today. I'll be taking everything out of this shop. And in the upcoming video, I'll give you an idea of how palatial this space actually is. And you can see for yourself that you can work in a relatively small space. This is my grandson, Bash. He's decided to join me in today's video, apparently.
Hello!
In any event, I'll be back after a while in the next video. I'm going to get all this cleaned out and we'll start all over again.
Bye!
See you soon.